How do you file and do taxes with TurboTax? So first you'll need to go to TurboTax website, which is turbotax.intuit.com, or you can use the app and then sign into your account. And then you will need to start by entering your personal details. So you can go to taxes for this year, for example, the tab on the left panel, and then click on My Info. Now you will need to fill out all the information or your personal information. And once you're done, you will need to add income forms like W-2s or 1099s and other earnings. You can do that by going to the documents here and then click on Add Tax Docs to add your documents and choose the way you want to add your documents. So you can either upload from this device, snap a photo, paper docs with your phone, or import from your financial account if it supports that. And once you've added your documents, you want to go back to the tax home right here. And under this year taxes, you should find the file section, click on it. And then you will start filling out the information, enter your deductions, credits, and tax-related expenses if applicable while you go through the filing process. And once you finish, you will need to review the return for errors and missing informations. And then you can proceed to submitting your federal and state taxes electronically. And you can also choose your refund or payment method if you're paying owed taxes or receiving your tax returns. And that's pretty much it for this video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. I'll see you on the next one.